Hello, hi, welcome to Parnika Maths. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.3, second Roman third problem. See the question. Two women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone and one man alone to finish the work. I don't know the one woman how much work, how many days she will take to complete the work. No, let the time taken by one woman equals to x. Time taken, I am taking, let the time taken by one woman equals to x. Then work done by one woman in 1 day equals to what, ma? Time taken is x, no? Work done by one woman in 1 day means that will become 1 by x. In the same manner, let the time taken by one man be y. Then work done by one man in 1 day. What it will become? 1 by y. See here, work done by one woman in 1 day is 1 by x. Work done by one man in 1 day is 1 by y. Time taken, I have taken it as x and y. See, again, 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. 2 women and 5 men. How many days it will be completed, ma? 4 days. Time taken. This is time taken. Time taken by 2 women and 5 men equals to 4 days. Therefore, work done by 2 women and 5 men equals to 1 by 4. See here, time taken is x. Work done by one woman in 1 day is 1 by x. Time taken by one man is y. Work done by one man in 1 day is 1 by y. In the same manner, time taken by 2 women and 5 men is 4 days. Work done by 2 women and 5 men in 1 day equals to 1 by 4. In the same manner, in the next case, see, time taken by 3 women, 6 men. 3 women and 6 men equals to how many days, ma? 3 days. Therefore, work done by 3 women and 6 men in 1 day equals to how much, ma? 1 by 3. Now write the equations based on this. 2 women, 5 men. We know that. 2 women. Work done by 2 women. For work done is for women means 1 by x, no? 2 into 1 by x plus 5 men. 5 into, what is the work done by one man? 1 by y. Equals to, how many days they will take, ma? 4 days. Means work done is 1 by 4. Let it be equation 1. In the same manner, see here, 3 women. For one woman, what is the work done? 1 by x. Plus 6 men. By one man, 1 day, 1 by y. How many days they will take? 3 days. Work done is 1 by 3. Let it be equation 2. Did you understand, ma? Time taken by one woman is x. Work done in 1 day is 1 by x. Time taken by one man is y. Work done by one man in 1 day is 1 by y. In the same way, time taken by 2 women and 5 men is 4 days. work done by 2 women and 5 men in 1 day is 1 by 4. In the same manner, this also 3 days means 1 by 3. In the same manner, by writing the equation, how many women? 2 women. What is the work done by 1 woman in 1 day? 1 by x. 2 into 1 by x plus 5 into work done by 1 man in 1 day is 1 by y. 5 into 1 by y equals to work done by completely is 1 by 4. In the same way, 3 women, 6 men equals to 1 by 3 days. See, we got two equations now. Let I'm taking 1 by x equals to p and 1 by y equals to q. Substitute in this. How will you get? Here only I am writing. See here. That implies 2p plus 5q equals to 1 by 4. That is one equation. 3p plus 6q equals to 1 by 3. Write these equations back. 2p plus 5q equals to 1 by 4. 3p plus 6q. 3p plus 6q equals to 1 by 3. Now solve this 2 more. How will you do this? See here, this complete equation I am multiplying with 3 and this complete equation I am multiplying with 2. This number I am multiplying here, this number I am multiplying with here. Let it be equation 5 and let it be equation 6. This is equation 3 and this is equation 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here equation 5 and 6. Now multiply with this equation 5 into 3. That implies 3 2s are 6p plus 5 3s are 15q equals to 3 by 4. Here also equation 6 into 2. That implies 3 2s are 6p plus 6 2s are 12q equals to 2 by 3. Now solve it. Same symbol no. For subtraction, symbols changing. Plus 6p minus 6p. 15 minus 12. 3q equals to 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. 3q equals to, take LCM, 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 4 2s are 8. 3q equals to 9 minus 8. 1 by 12. Q equals to 1 by 12 3s are 36. I got Q value no. Substituting in equation. Here only equation is there no. Sorry. Equation 5. Substitute in equation 5. Substituting Q equals to 1 by 36 in equation 5. What is equation 5 ma? 2p plus 5q equals to 1 by 4. Now solve it. 2p plus 5 into 1 by 36 equals to 1 by 4. Send this to that side. 2p equals to 1 by 4 plus 5 by 36. If I send to that side, minus 5 by 36. Now take LCM. 36. 36 ones are, sorry, 4 into 36 no. 1 by 4 into 36. See, cancel it. 9 4s are no. 1 into 9. 9. Here 36 is there. 2p equals to, I have taken LCM, that's all. 9 4s are 36 no. 1 by 4 into 36. 4 1s are 4 9s are 9 1s are 9. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 how much? 4. 4 by 36. Again p equals to 4 by 36 into 2. This 2 it is multiplying. If I send to this side, it will divide. 2 1s are 2 2s are again. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are. Therefore, p equals to 1 by 18. This pq values substitute in equation 3 and 4. 1 by x equals to p. 1 by y equals to q. Substituting p equals to 1 by 18 in equation 3. What is equation 3? 1 by x equals to p. In the same manner, substituting q equals to 1 by 36 in equation 4. What is equation 4? 1 by y equals to q. Here see 1 by x equals to 1 by 18. Cross multiply it. X into 1, x equals to 1 into 18, 18. Therefore, x equals to 18. Here also 1 by y equals to q means 1 by 36. Again cross multiply it. Y into 1, y. 36 ones are 36. Therefore, what is x value and y value? See here. What is x? Therefore, time taken by one woman equals to x. That equals to how much? 18 days. So, how many days one woman alone will take? 18 days. And time taken by one man equals to what, ma? 36. That equals to 36 days. Did you understand? This problem is very important. See here, one more time I'll explain. Time taken by one woman is x. So work done becomes 1 by x. Time taken by one man is y. So work done becomes 1 by y. So 2 women and 5 men can complete work in 4 days. For 1 day, how much work will be completed? 1 by 4th work. In the same manner, 3 women and 6 men can complete the work in 3 days. So work done in 1 day is 1 by 3. By that, I got the equations 2 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by y equals to 1 by 4. Here, 3 into 1 by x plus 6 into 1 by y equals to 1 by 3. This two equation, in the place of 1 by x, I have kept p. In the place of 1 by y, I substituted q. By that, I got two equations. See here. These two equations, I solved it. I got the q value. I substituted this q value in equation 5 so that I got p value. This pq values I substituted in equation 3 and 4. So I got the x value and y value. Therefore, work done by one woman is, to complete the work is 18 days. For one man, to complete the work, he will take 36 days. Did you understand? If you have any doubt, give in the comment box. I will explain you. If you like my video, press on the like button, share my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.